Hello, I wanted to do a quick video explaining the temporary property tax bills that you either have received in the mail or will receive in the next couple of weeks. When you file an appeal of your property taxes, they send you a temporary bill at a reduced rate. So let's look at one. This is from Fulton County, and the fair market value of this property was $2,121,700. The assessed value is just 40%. And the temporary value is based on last year's fair market value or 85% of this year's fair market value, whichever one is less. So you'll see they use the temporary assessment times the millage rate for each line item to determine the amount of your bill. You still have to pay this temporary bill by the due date. Then after the appeal is over, they will send you a final bill to settle up. Let's look at one from Cobb County and DeKalb County quickly. So as you can see, it says temporary tax bill at the top. This property had a fair market value of $152,460. The assessed value is just 40% of that number. Now in Cobb County, they use the assessed value to calculate the bill. And you'll see down here, the total taxes due are $523.85 for this property. But you have the option to pay an appeal amount of $445.27. When given two options, most people choose the smaller one. But you can pay the full bill. Then if we win the appeal, you will receive a refund. And you'll notice that Cobb County processed these bills slightly different than Fulton County. Let's look at a temporary bill from DeKalb County. So this is a third way that the counties process the temporary bill. This property had a total appraisal of $2,736,000. 40% of that is this number, but this is an appeal assessment of $320,000, which all you Georgia Tech wizards know is much less than 85% of the current year's assessment. So they based this number on last year's fair market value. You can see here they used that temporary appeal assessment to calculate the property tax bill for a total of $17,952. They explain what they've done in DeKalb County in this special notice. And this bill would have been $51,940 without an appeal. So you can see how important these temporary bills are. But they must be paid by the due date, and the first due date is coming up on September 30th. So that is an explanation of the temporary bills. I hope you enjoyed.